Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Hello English channel, where learning English is fun, simple, and filled with smiles. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and a warm hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful. The sky is clear, I have a cup of tea beside me, so yes, I'm happy and relaxed. How about you?
I'm doing great. I went for a walk this morning, and it really started my day with good energy.
Oh, that sounds lovely. A morning walk is such a peaceful way to begin the day.
Absolutely. And I'm excited because today's topic is warm and joyful.
Now I'm curious, what are we talking about?
Today, we're sharing our favorite English words.
Ooh, I love that. Simple, beautiful words, perfect for our beginner learners.
Exactly. Easy words that carry big feelings. But before we begin,
Yes, a quick hello to our amazing community. If you enjoy our podcast, please tap like and subscribe to the Hello English channel.
and don't forget to share the channel with your friends and family. Learning together is always better.
All right, would you like to start?
Sure. My first favorite word is happy.
Ooh, lovely. Happy. It even sounds cheerful.
It does. It's not just a word, it's a feeling. Whenever I say happy, I feel a little lighter.
Me too. You can't say happy and feel sad at the same time.
Exactly. For me, happy looks like the color yellow, bright and warm.
I love that. For me, happy is the sound of my friends laughing.
Or when a pet runs to greet you, pure happiness.
Beautiful choice. My first word is smile.
Smile, such a powerful word.
A smile is something you can give freely. It needs no language.
Yes, a smile from a stranger can change your whole day.
And you can hear a smile in someone's voice too.
Like right now, I can hear yours. My next word is family.
A very meaningful word.
To me, family means love, safety, and home.
It's the first place where we feel understood and accepted.
Exactly. And sometimes friends become family, too.
My next word is beautiful.
That's a beautiful choice in itself.
We use it for sunsets, flowers, but also actions. A kind heart is beautiful.
Yes, beauty isn't only what we see, it's what we feel. Here's a simple one, water.
Interesting. Why water?
Because water is life. I love the sound of it. Rain, rivers, waves.
So calming and peaceful, and nothing feels better than cold water on a hot day. My next word is music.
Ah, music. Everyone's friend.
There's music for every emotion: joy, sadness, love, energy.
Even if we don't understand the language, we feel music. Another favorite is kind.
Oh, yes. Kindness is everything.
A kind word can change someone's whole day.
And it costs nothing to be kind, but it means everything. My next one is book.
A book, a doorway to another world.
Through books, we travel, dream, and learn, all from one chair.
My final word is thank you.
A perfect phrase.
Two small words with so much respect and gratitude.
And my last word is dream.
Ah, magical. A dream can be a story while we sleep or a hope for our future.
So today, our words were happy, smile, family, beautiful, water, music, kind, book, thank you, dream.
What a collection of positivity.
It shows that simple English can express powerful feelings.
Exactly. Simple English is beautiful English.
Thank you for joining us today. I truly enjoyed this.
Me too. And thank you to everyone listening.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Hello English channel and give this episode a like.
And now we want to hear from you. What is your favorite English word?
Share it in the comments. We can't wait to read them.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep dreaming. Goodbye.